Good morning. How's everyone? Let me know in the chat. Hope you guys are feeling good. Let me know if you guys are feeling frisky today. Boom! Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the live stream. Let me know how you guys are feeling today. Are you guys feeling good? You guys feeling blessed? Let me know. Let me know how you feel in the markets of doom. Let me know how you're feeling in the market of doom. Let's see who we got with us in the chat. Shanna, Mr. Krabs, Whelan, Sabo, Frank, of course, call sign. Good to see you guys here. You guys are awesome. Yeah, let's not pretend that this is tradable price action here, okay? Anyone that's gonna try and convince me that they're trading this and they're making money right now, you're lying. But we're gonna see what happens though. We're gonna wait a little bit. We're gonna see what happens. Maybe for some reason this is gonna change route in any second here. Who knows? You never know. You never know. Long from 2 a.m. open. Yeah, good luck. Good luck. I'm not gonna do it. It's not going anywhere at the moment here, guys. We have some major news coming as well later today. Some major news coming later today here as well. We have the Fed talking today. Our boy Warsh at 4 o'clock for me, so that's gonna be 10 o'clock New York time. And yeah, it's just gonna do nothing probably today. Let's hope it's gonna change around though. We've got 28 people watching. Let me know in the chat if you guys are excited for today's live stream. Got myself something new today. A little Red Bull lemon. Red Bull lemon today for today's live stream. As you see, that I don't have the chart, the trading chart open as of yet. I will put it open later. Yeah, what a bullshit ass price action is this, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Hope you're doing all right. Let's see what gold is doing here, actually. Also doing nothing. I don't really know why I went live, to be honest. I gotta be honest with you. But we'll see. We'll see what it does in the next couple hours here. I'm not gonna trade it if it doesn't want to provide anything, okay? Like, I'm not gonna do that. I see no point in doing that. But we'll see what happens. We touched back into 6 o'clock. We might want to reverse back towards these lows. If they don't want to take the highs. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let me know how you guys feeling today, though. It's Friday. Friday. Last day of the week. Just build. That's amazing, bro. Appreciate that, man. I hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy it, my friend. Gondel, hello, my friend. How are you doing? Hope you're doing good, bro. All right, looks like they might want to go to these lows. 78. So my overall idea is that they're gonna go for these lows down here, to be honest. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm not gonna trade it, guys, to be honest, right? Like, short-term buys would be trading back below value area low, seek a price discovery, and maybe potentially look for something later on. Invert head and shoulders. I don't see it, Frank. I don't know about these patterns and stuff, bro. My apologies, man. All right, they're breaking into the value area low. Are they gonna break through? This is the question. Question of the day. Just waking up a little bit here, guys. Fuck this market. Yeah, I told you I'm not gonna long it from 2 here, bro. Can you explain the IQ Capital welcome gift, the one-time $9? 30-day challenge, max drawdown is 3,000. What about the one-time funded fee? Yeah, so if you pause the account, you have a one-time activation fee. And you have 30 days to pause the account. And it costs $9 to do it. Nice music. Yeah, you gotta thank Electric for that. It's amazing music for sure. Way better than what we had before. Way better. Yeah, let's see if they want to break through this value area logo towards these lows. Maybe then I can look for a setup here. If they take the lows out, look for the reversion. The inversion, what am I even saying? The reversal. We'll see what happens here, guys. Do they want to take the lows for us? Is the main question of the day right now. La 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 la. Not a problem, Frank. Enjoy it, bro. Not a problem, bro. Interesting price action, guys. See what gold is doing. Fits well. Yeah, I'm enjoying it too, my friend. On the hourly, it looks like it wants to sell out for sure, but now it's bought itself back up again. Good morning, Daniel. Yeah, shit's untradeable. Alright, it is what it is. We're gonna see what happens. I'm not gonna trade it, guys. I'm not gonna trade it. We're gonna see if this wants to provide anything to us. But if not, then yeah, you know, whatever. How to use order flow in your trades? I'm not using order flow as of yet. This is just the volume profile. So I use it to determine whether we are not in a balanced session. So right now we are, yeah, we're not doing anything. We're touching back in the point of control again. But yeah, it's just like I hate these markets. Like this type of market, these summer markets. I fucking hate it. Because now it just randomly buys itself up again. Bro, I don't know about the... Like I told you before, bro. I have no idea what the head and shoulders look like. You need to show me a picture if you want the... if you want my opinion on it. Or is this what you mean? It's like you have the left shoulder... And you have the head. I have no idea how that looks, bro. I have no idea. I'm hoping for a breakout. Yeah, let's hope that happens for you, my friend. I'm not trying to, like, the thing is, like, I don't want to try and predict the breakout here, you see what I mean? Because I can try to buy it, but it's been trying over and over again. So if it happens, yeah, it's just pure luck if it breaks out, right? Because it's like it didn't work over and over again. So then I'm assuming they want to go lower again, to be honest. Also, if I'm looking at the 5 o'clock open here. Like, if they really wanted to break out, you would assume they want to stay above it, right? But yeah, who am I? It might just go from here. You never know. You never know. You swept the current day low, tapped into an order block as well, so it could definitely go from here if it wants to. Let's see if I want to go from here. They close back above 2. No, we'll see what happens. Tap back into the value area low. Let's see if they want to give some pressure to the upside here, bro. I hope it for you that they break out through the point of control, shoot it all the way up to 620. No way back. Would be nice. We got 46 people watching. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm currently not trading the market. I'm just looking at it, see what happens here. I don't really see any way to participate here. We'll see what happens though, guys. You never know. You never know. Oh, you got yourself a little breakout here. Is it going to break out? DAX about to hit the new all-time highs. Hey. Let's see what gold's doing. Gold's giving a little bit of selling pressure, it seems. Dollar falling, I'm assuming. Dollar's also not moving. Oh man, can someone bring back the good summer months here, please? Can someone do it for me? Bring back the good summer months, please. A lot of talk about Nvidia. Nasdaq about to sue something. Yeah, let's hope so. The problem is, like, I'm not gonna try and predict the move here. Getting involved before it happens. Could say sweep liquidity to the upside or whatever. You know, something you could look for. Can you please share the playlist? Yeah, for sure. There you go. In the chat right now. Enjoy it. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what happens here, guys. Make sure to smash up the like if you enjoy the live stream. Smash up the like. I know nothing is happening at the moment, but who knows what's gonna happen here. You never know. It might dump a late all the way to the downside here. Or the buys itself up. I don't know. You have a bullish divergence at the lows. You swept current day low. Tap back into an extreme. It's just, yeah, it's just not going anywhere, basically. It's not going anywhere. Is any of you guys trying to trade this right now? Let me know. If so, how are you trading it? I'm gonna send you guys a poll here. There you go. Polls in the chat. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Good morning. Brief, hope you're doing alright. Good morning. So we got 8 votes right now. Mixed opinions. Some of you guys are actually still trying to trade this at the moment. For the guys that are trading it long, it might break out here. Who knows? Placed the big order. Saw it? Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. Extreme compression sideways. Yeah, 100% Nexus. You're right, bro. 100%, my friend. Hey, Layla. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate that. Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, let's see what happens here. We're breaking out from the value area low. Maybe it wants to come back here again to like 620-ish. Who knows? Who knows, guys? Something big is going to happen. Yeah, it looks like it. Got yourself a little breakout now here. Is it going to be the breakout or gonna set it off again back into the range? Alright, we got 50% of you guys are actually longs right now. That's crazy. That's awesome. You guys have balls of steel. Balls of steel here, guys. It is working out at the moment, though. Nothing said about that. It is working out at the moment. I hope for you guys it's gonna continue to work out here. Got yourself a new 5-minute. This is going to trade all the way back into the range. Yeah, there you go. No top wick. Who knows? It might want to flip. Doesn't look like it at the moment, though. Gotta love the Nasdaq. Gotta love the Nasdaq. I've been long since 10 o'clock. So you've been long about 2 hours now. Yeah, I hope for you it's gonna work out for sure. Hopefully it's gonna work out. Yeah, I'm currently not trading this. I'm trying to see what's up here. Trying to see what's up here. Try to trade it in the morning. So I tried the long here on 2 o'clock. And got taken out. Then recovered a little bit. And now I'm just chilling. I'm not gonna force anything from this market. Don't seem reasonable to me. Thomas, don't trade. No, I'm not trading. I'm not trading. We're just watching to see what happens here. Just watching, my friend. talk a bit about trading education as we sit and wait. What do you want to know? What do you want to know? Tell me. Like, I'm not the best trader in the world here, so I can try to educate you on whatever you want to know, but take everything with a grain of salt, of course. Not the best trader here. Trying to make it work. Let me know what you want to know, my friend. What do you want to talk about? We can talk about some trading books, because I know you guys have some interest in that. Like, I got a lot of books you can read for sure. Not a problem regarding that. I eat books for breakfast, guys. How do you find your draw on liquidity, meaning your TP? That's a good question. So you have multiple ways of doing it. So let's say, for example, you're trying to trade 6 o'clock. It's creation of 6, right? And you have 6 o'clock open right here. That's your 6 o'clock open line. You could use the bottom wick of 6 to define your target, right? So you could use standard deviations of its bottom wick creation to define your targets for the overall higher time frame creation, okay? So you use the opening of 6 to the bottom of 6, and you would assume that they at least want to start a standard deviate from its original displacement down to the upside, okay? And if you then enter within your, let's say you enter here, right? Stop below the low. You target one standard deviation. You have a pretty reasonable target, assuming that they want to go and standard deviate from their original bottom wick once at least. You see what I'm saying? So that's a pretty good way to define targets. You could use this on any nexus. You can use this on any candle. But I'm talking about 6 a.m. open for UTC -4. But you can use this on any candle, right? You can use this on any candle. So you could say that if you're looking for longs and you entered at 2 o'clock, right? And you have the 2 o'clock low, that you're targeting at least one standard deviation of the move when you enter the trade here, okay? We could also say that you enter it down here and your stop is going to be based like this. You just target one standard deviation. But it depends on how you look at it and when you enter the market and stuff, you know? Has a bit of influence here. Another way to make the TPs is based on liquidity points, relative equal highs, relative equal lows, right? Stuff like that. So there's multiple ways of doing it and things you could target here, okay? I also like to use previous hourly opens as targets. For example, midnight. Another good target would be inefficient price action. So when you have a lot of downside momentum and they never trade back into the downside momentum, you could try to trade it back into it. Something you could do as well. We have a little breakout here on our friend the Nasdaq. What about gold target? Same scenario here. It's the same way, right? So let's say right now you're in the long on gold. You could use the bottom wick that's being created after the flip of 6. And you could target back to at least one standard deviation of the bottom to the top move again. So you could target it back to 2. Or you could say that if they break this high, they want to standard deviate twice. So you target it back to 3 or 4 or 5 or whatever, right? And you could also use this on a daily time frame. So let's say you use the bottom wick of the day and you're for long buys. You could say I want to target at least one standard deviation from its original bottom wick from the day back to the top side. So you would say I want to target 690. All right, you got a breakout here on MNQ. Took the highs now. Let's see. Let me open my... Yeah, I don't want to trade this, to be honest, man. I'm gonna keep my deep charts closed here, guys. I don't wanna get myself in trouble here. So I'm gonna keep it closed for now. Open it up later when I'm live on IQ probably. We're just gonna look at the markets together. If you really want me to trade, I'm sorry, it's not gonna happen. I don't see the point of doing it, okay? For the guys that are in the longs, congratulations though. If you guys have any other questions, Andrea, if you have any other questions, let me know. I don't mind. Let's go over some questions here, okay? Let's cover some stuff. In the end, you have to understand, right? Anything that I tell you is based on my own experience. None of it is factual, okay? The market is a complete fugazi, guys. No one actually truly knows what the market is going to do next. You just have ways to find the so-called edge, okay? Things that you see repeat over time. And I guess it's just all in the end. It's how you read the market, okay? That's just all it is in the end. How do you learn and understand liquidity as a concept? Well, liquidity is just a term used to define orders in the market, right? So for the ICT traders, they would say that there's people, their stop losses above highs and lows. People that trade auction market theory know that that's not the case, right? It doesn't really work like that. So it's like you could say that highs and lows fuel the move, okay? So for example, people have buy stops ready here to buy up the price action higher, and the buy stops are being used to sell off the orders for people that are buying themselves up to it. You see what I mean? People are taking over the contracts. They're like, that's the thing in futures trading. Someone else needs to take off your position, okay? So yeah. So the whole liquidity concept, like, you can watch some videos on it. I'll show you guys. Give me a second here. Give me a second. All right, here you go. This is something you could watch. This is a really good video. I sent it out in the live chat for you. It's a really good video you can watch. But Fabio Valentini is one of the Robbins Cup winners. Okay, and he talks about actual liquidity, okay? He gives you an understanding of what liquidity actually is like. But it doesn't mean, like, in the end, guys, okay? What works is more important than what's true, okay? In the market. I'm telling you right now, you don't have to understand everything. You don't have to know why it does what it does, as long as you can trade it, okay? People say that the RSI is bullshit and it doesn't work. If you trade divergences and you shorted it here, it definitely works. You would have made money, okay? You just have to find something that works. If you said this was a bullish divergence and you bought it here, it fucking worked, okay? So it doesn't matter whether or not something is valid or factual. It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter as long as it works. If you can make money, who cares how you trade, bro? Like, I genuinely, I couldn't care less. Even if you, like, for some reason you managed to make the magnet strategy work, right? And you put like 100 magnets on the chart, and for some reason it works, bro, put a fucking 1,000 magnets on your chart. Make it work, bro. Make your money. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just, like, do whatever works, my friend. Hey, bro, nice to see you. Hey, how you doing, my friend? Hope you're doing all right. Yeah, you built a strategy around these time points, 6 a.m., 8 a.m. New York. How do you come with this idea? So there's like a friend of mine that's like an insane trader, okay? Like, he's not known. He doesn't like to be known to the outside world, but he's an insane trader. And I'm talking about, like, you know, Like, I don't know even know how to explain it. This guy just makes insane amounts of money on his personal account, like $10,000 on trades, stuff like that, showing me all of it, you know, like how he did it. And I've been trading with him for a long time. So I spoke with him every single day, and he discovered something in the markets, which I'm not going to tell you guys because that's his strategy. But the time points is something he also uses, and I use it a little bit differently than he does, okay? But he figured it out. He figured something out what works for him, whether or not this is actually the case, right? If it actually is like how he says it is, doesn't matter. He manages to do it really well, okay? And the time points for me are targets and entry criteria. Is he on YouTube? No, he's not on YouTube. So he, for me, I like it because I understand, okay, for creating the candle, this could be an entry point, right? A time point in the past can be a target. Like I told you guys before, the amount of times that 2 o'clock likes to return to midnight open is insane. Like you just have to, the problem is with trading, guys, is that we want to trade every single day, okay? That is the problem with trading, truly. There's like, if you only traded the best setups, like this one, for example, the one that I took yesterday, you have a sweep of liquidity, you fill in the gap, like you have multiple reasonings why they could stop here, right? You take Asia lows here as well. Asia lows at the bottom. You have a bullish divergence, okay? It's like this, like, confluence are out of the roof, and you trade it back to Asia highs. Like this is like one of those setups that are like insane. You need one of these per week and you're done for the week if you size well, okay? And that's the thing, right? You see how it comes back to midnight open, right? You see how it comes back to midnight open, then it comes back to the daily open, respects it precisely, reuses the daily open to gather orders and go up again. This is like the setup of the setups. This is what you're looking for all day. Right? And of course, it's easy to say because it works out, right? Anything looks amazing in hindsight. That's the problem. But you just have to find something that you can execute on, which really gives you a great edge. And this means that whenever something doesn't look great, you need to be acceptance of not trading at all, right? Like, for example, here today, bro, like, sure, you know, I could say after the fact, I could say, yo, look at the retest of 2 o'clock, stop loss below the low, bullish divergence, easy target back to midnight open, boom, I'm a millionaire, I know what to do, I'm a fucking genius. Easy to say afterwards. This market, to be honest, bro, I don't know, if I need to convince you that this shit is horrible, then we have a problem, okay? This is like horrible price action. It doesn't mean that it can't work out, but you need to be then willing to put money on the table. Risking money on this type of price action is, yeah, I wouldn't say smart. You see what I'm saying? Vanessa, I hope you're doing good. But it still could work out. Like, don't get me wrong, man. You have 6 o'clock opening up. 6 steps into 2 o'clock. So that's your 8 o'clock candle right here. I'm going to show you guys here on the right-hand side. I know it because I've looked at this shit every single day. I don't have a live. But yeah, here you go. Okay, see. Look at the following, okay? So you have the 6 o'clock candle on the left-hand side, okay? That's your 6 o'clock opening up. What does it tap back into? It taps back into 2 o'clock open, okay? You can see here, this is your 2 o'clock open. This is your 8 o'clock candle creation, okay? So what happens? 6 opens up right here. Trades back into 2 o'clock open. Trades back above. Retests a 6 o'clock open. Starts delivering higher. Where could it come back to? Right here. Back to the daily open. You see that? So you're trading in between the ranges, but you're using logical targets. Now you can see how they came back to 5 o'clock open. Okay, so if you use the hourly time frame here. So let's see if we look at the hourly here. You can see here, there's also a level of resistance where they could come back to. And a level of support that they're using. You see that? Something is missing. Yeah, I'm fine. I hope you're doing better too, trading than Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday is going to be one for in the history books. I'm going to be remembered of that one for a while. But Wednesday was tough for me, 100%. But I've recovered from it the same day, by the way, Vanessa. So I'm doing all right. Yesterday was a good trading day for me. Like, even though it was also a tough day, we managed to catch a good move yesterday. We stayed on really long yesterday on the IQ stream, like 4.5 hours. But it was okay. And now, like, I'm no longer trying to prove myself trading actively. Like, I'm just gonna wait and see. When I see a good setup, I take it. But like, yeah, this is just not for me, right? This PA right here is not for me. But does that make sense what I'm explaining here to you guys? This is not like, I haven't created any of this stuff, by the way. Like, okay, it's been out there probably for years. Someone thought about it or talked about it before me. But I just use it this way to define targets, see where I'm at in the range, where am I trading in the candle, is it a profitable scenario for me, stuff like that. You know what I mean? And we're trying to create this into an indicator, by the way, that gives you the bias automatically based on the creation. It's hard though. Like, you have to understand Claude, or just in general, creating an indicator, a fixed indicator Pine script that reads the chart. If you want to, like there's a reason why just an indicator itself mostly isn't profitable, right? Because it's really hard for an indicator to read the chart like you would read it yourself. Watching key level, key liquidity zones, the heat map 29,700, massive limit, sell wall with 285 contracts. Oof. Sitting right below the daily high, 27,707. Key level for potential sweep or absorption rejection. 750 next major exiting liquidity block with 170 contracts. Thank you, Daddle. I appreciate that. Yeah, I was also looking for these highs. The daily current day high. That's my overall target for the day. But when did they execute the orders? Did they execute it and that's why it went down? Or is it because it's resting liquidity? Let me know, Daddle. I'm still new to it. But I'm sorry if you don't want me to ask you questions. But yeah, I hope you can help me with that. All right, got a 15-minute bullish divergence as well here. It's not holding up at the moment though. Took the liquidity and selling off again. I can help you with that. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm doing it together with Electric, with my bro Electric. But who knows, if we ever struggle a bit, then I'll let you know. Got 58 people watching, by the way. If you guys enjoy the live streams, smash with a like. Would highly appreciate that. You guys are awesome. You guys are legendary. What country are you trading on GC? Why not Z set December? I don't know what you mean. What's happening here? Oh. Give me 1 second. All right, let me put on the music again. All right. I just trade the latest gold contract. If you're on GC1, you always trade the latest version. So that's the main reason why I trade it. There's no other reason for it. We're trading below at the moment on QQQ, so we have an opening gap to the downside. Depending on how big it is, they might want to fill this in instantly. It's only at 0.3. We looked at it yesterday, guys. You remember we looked at it yesterday? With a 0.3% opening gap, they is almost 100% certainty they're going to fill it in. Thank you for sending it out, by the way, here in the chat. For the guys that are trading order flow, should I make an order flow channel for you guys so you can actually look at it together? Send over some levels. That would actually maybe be really beneficial for everyone in the chat. If you guys want to, I can make an order flow channel. All right, guys, do you guys want that? Let me know. I'll do it. Growing together here, guys. That's what it's all about. Isn't that amazing? do it, I would like to check. Okay, I'll make an order flow channel. Let me set it up right away. Oh, it's too big, huh? Okay. Order flow. All right. Give me 1 second here. All right, order flow channel is set. If you guys want to use it. All right, if you guys want to join the best Discord community on these YouTube live stream streets, let me send you guys an invite right away. We're just a small community, by the way. We're not a big one. Got a couple of people in here. People are always active, by the way. It's awesome. You guys are like legends. I don't know what to say. You guys are like legends, like truly. I don't know what to say. All right, let's see what happens here. Selling off a little bit again. How much the activation fee? This resting liquidity passive limit set orders in sitting order book. Not executed orders yet. Okay, that'll thank you. So that could be a target for sure. This could be a target for sure. Makes a lot of sense, my friend. By the way, for the guys that are trading with IQ, there's still a discount going on. I keep repeating it because they're amazing. Okay, you get 3+1 on the instant funding accounts. It is a bigger pay. Okay, you have to pay a little bit of money if you want to achieve it. But then again, if you've been trading and you're profitable for a longer period of time and you are willing to spend some money, they're really good. Okay, 30% consistency is like extremely beneficial in a instant funding account. Only do it if you want to do it, of course, right? If you want to do it, you can use code TJ and you'll get the best possible discount as well, 80% off at the same time. So I would say give it a crack if you're willing to do it and you've been trading for a longer period of time. Okay, if you're new to trading, don't do it, man. Like, just, you know, stick to the standard accounts, learn, and eventually once you make some money, you can use that money to buy new accounts. Okay, 30% consistency is seriously fucked. Not in the instant funding accounts, bro. Like, if you look at other firms, they say 20% and stuff, okay? So it's like in relationship to the competition, they're really good. They're really good. I mean, if you look at the normal funded accounts at, for example, Apex, you have a 40% consistency, bro. And that's a normal account, you see what I'm saying? So it's like... Yeah, nothing is really happening here, guys. We sold it off again into the range after we took the highs here at 5. Toby, welcome to the Discord community, my bro. Hope you're doing alright, man. Welcome. Got yourself a nice little smiley face right here. Nice little smiley face. Amazing, bro. Let's see what happens here, guys. Who's still actively watching? Let me know in the chat. Drop a W in the chat if you're still here. Smash up the like. Let's go for 100 likes today. We only got 61 people watching, but who knows? We might be able to achieve it. You never know. If everyone hits the like and shares the stream, we'll definitely hit it. And then we do a giveaway today as well, okay? Then we do a giveaway today as well. For sure. Not a problem. Especially like a market like this. I know some of you guys might think like, Thomas, 100 likes not possible if you only have 60 people watching. But everyone smashes the like, we get pushed into the algorithm, yeah? And then people are gonna find us and they also smash the like because they also want to win the giveaway. And there you go, you got 100 likes just like that. You see what I'm saying? You understand? That's how it works, guys. So if you want to support the live stream, share it with someone you know that also trades. Maybe they like to see me fail, see me lose, see me win. And let's do a little giveaway later. Let's see what happens though. Is anyone still trading this? Let me know in the chat. Is any of you guys still trading this? Gold is doing the same. Oh, gold is breaking out to the downside. Interesting. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. Well, you could say this was liquidity, of course, but hey, we got Pauline. Spectaculous. Nice. Or Speculatius. Welcome. Hope you're doing alright. Hope you're doing alright. Welcome to the community, guys. Hey, Hidden Secret. Hope you're doing alright, bro. You got a festival today, right? What type of festival you got today, my friend? Let me know. I just woke up. Good morning. Probably got like a big sleepy face right now, huh? Let's turn this off for a sec. Just see what happens here. What's new? Show me what's new. Nothing major here, huh? Single stock futures, yeah. Run your own trading competition. Oh, that's nice. This is nice. This is real nice, guys. We can run our own... I'm gonna save this. We can run our own trading society competition. And then we do a giveaway for whoever wins it. That's nice. I'm gonna save this. This is a nice idea, actually. Let me see how this works. This is actually amazing. What do you guys think about that? I think this is sick. We can have our own trading competition and then we do a giveaway on whoever wins it. And then we just do like a week worth of trading or something like that. Let me see if I can set this up. Let me see how I have to... Let me see if I can set this up here, guys. Give me a second. I'm setting it up now. Give me a second. All right, let me see. Let me set it up here, guys. Let's have a look here, guys. Let me set this up. Give me a second, all right? All right, breaking out again here. Interesting. Yeah, the sweep of the lows here, breaking higher now. Let's see what happens. I'm setting up the trading competition here. Setting up the trading competition for you guys. Let's see. It's actually not that crazy as I thought. This actually might be a funny thing. Give me a second here. Oh, and it sunk down again. This type of market kills the mood only if you're invested into it, my friend. My mood is still alive. I'm still breathing. Got myself a little Red Bull here. I'm doing fine, bro. I'm doing fine. Not choking today. No, I'm not choking today. Yeah, you guys know I choked, almost died yesterday. It was a fun stream yesterday though, for sure. I enjoyed it to the fullest. I actually almost died yesterday. Crazy. Awesome. All right, let me set this up real quick. Start date is gonna be 29th of August at fucking 000 until we'll give you guys 6 like this. All right, let's see. I think I created it. Let me see. All right, let me see. I've got a link here in the chat. Let me know if you guys can join it. If you can join the trading contest here. Let me see if I have it here. Oh yeah, the Trading Society contest. Oh shit, look. Oh dang. It should start from tomorrow. So I should not be able to enter anything as of yet. Yeah, that's crazy. Alright, sign up for the contest, guys. Sign up for the contest. We have our own little contest here. Alright, I'm gonna set it up here. Let me see. So it starts tomorrow. Of course, tomorrow is the weekend, but you have until the 6th. So you have a week basically. All right, this is awesome, guys. Someone say contest. Yes, you guys can join in. I'm sending the announcement in the Discord right now. I'm sending out the announcement in the Discord right now. And then you can join. I'm setting it up right now. Here you go. So the link is in the Discord. The link is in the Discord. Join the trading contest. Show how good you are here, guys. Okay. Join the contest. We're giving away for the winner a 100k funded account. Okay. Either CFD or futures, whichever you desire for the winner. Join in. Good morning, Trader W07. Hope you're doing good. So for the guys that don't know, I just started my own trading contest. Go into the Discord community and win potentially a account here. Okay. Win potentially an account. Become part of it here. Go to the announcement. Sign up. And from next week onwards, you can trade your own paper trading account. There are some requirements. It's not that you can over leverage the fuck out of the account. Okay. So I have that set up, so you can't do that. Okay, yeah, enter with accounts from any firm. No, you enter with a paper trading account, bro. So you're paper trading it. That's how it works. That's how it works. So you get a free paper trading account. Here you go. All right, free paper trading account on TradingView. And you just execute on TradingView. And yeah, that's how it's gonna work here, okay? So only join if you want to. You don't have to, but I think it's amazing. Win yourself a free account here by becoming a winner here, guys. Okay. Become a winner. We only have one participant at the moment. Let me know if you can sign up. I only see one participant. I don't know why. I have no idea. But it might. Let me see. We'll see. Maybe it changes. This is my first time trying this, by the way. So if it doesn't work out, then we'll try it again. We'll try it again, of course. Yeah, you can join through the link in the giveaway in the announcement here, guys. You can join through the link in the announcements. Join in. It's me. If nobody joins, am I automatically the winner? Oh shit, never mind. No. That's not how it works. Alright, not going anywhere still. Let's see. Still got 60 people watching. You guys are awesome. It says joined, but still one participant. Yeah, maybe it shows at the moment it actually goes live here. Yeah, I think it should. Maybe it shows once I go live. This is my first time trying this, guys. I didn't even know that this was possible. Okay, so we'll see if it works or not. I also joined, so there has to be at least 2 of us. Yeah, but maybe it doesn't show how many people joined until it started, you know, because it shows for me also 1 participant. But I think it should be fine, guys. I think it should be fine. Okay. Here you go. The leaderboard will appear once trading begins. Okay, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. It will be there. Okay, it will be there. But I'm gonna set it up so you actually have to trade here. Okay, I will be setting it up so you actually have to trade the account, and you can't full port it. Okay. So if the first time I've managed to not set it up correctly, then it is what it is, right? We'll see. We'll see, though. I think I did, but you never know. How much risk is allowed? So you have a certain amount of leverage. You know, you risk how many you want to risk, right? You risk how much you want to risk, but you have a certain amount of leverage. So you don't have you can't go all in. You see what I mean? But in case it does allow you to, it is what it is. But I think I've set it up so you can't do that. Let me see. Yeah, you have a 1 to 20 leverage on futures, a 1 to 50 on Forex. So it's low, right? This is not big. So on 1 to 10 on crypto, it's not big. Like, it's not big leverage. I think you can't even execute a full mini, to be honest. I think. I'm not sure, but I want you guys to trade either micros. Like otherwise I don't think it's fun, right? If someone just full ports the account, there's no point in doing it. Can I trade crypto on the weekend? If you're allowed to, you can, for sure. You do whatever your heart desires, my friend. You have until the 6th, I think, until the 6th to trade here. Let me see. I don't know where I see where it ends. Yeah, so you have until the 6th. So until the 6th, you're trading. And you do whatever you need to do to become the first, okay? Whatever you can do. We'll see. What do you think about today's news? Yeah, it probably will have a major impact here. If you look at the current market, it's not really doing anything. It's not really doing anything, my friend. Hey, amazing Jung. Hope you're doing alright, bro. Hope you're doing alright. Welcome back to the live stream. How's life? Let me know. 1 week contest. Yeah, so it's you have a week to trade. That's just basically it. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna close the window. Alright. Back at it again. Yeah, so if you guys want to join the contest, make sure to join here. You can win a free 100k account, either futures or CFDs, whatever you want to achieve here. So feel free to join in, potentially win an account. That would be the goal, right? To potentially win an account here. Who's still actively watching? Press 1 in the chat if you guys are still here. Hey, you guys are still here. You guys are awesome. Appreciate you. I'm reading the book. Nice, enjoy it. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know what you think of it. Let's have a look here, guys. I'm gonna stay on for a little while longer here, but yeah, I don't really think this is anything, to be honest here. I gotta be honest with you guys. Oh, what do you guys think for today's price action though? You guys think it's gonna go up, gonna go down? Let me know in the chat. What do you think for the news? Let me know what you're looking for. I wouldn't mind knowing what you guys are looking for. Let's define the trading price action before 2 or before 6 actually. There you go. Let's remove this one for a sec. So that's your point of control. Value area high, value area low. Why did you send it out, my friend? Welcome to all the new guys in the community, by the way. You guys are awesome. Well, hello there. Nice. Hey guys, I'm a bit late, but I hope you're all doing well. Yes, sir. Friday, we'll go for a short. Nice. In the news channel, let me have a look here. The Wendy macro. You know what you should ask AI, Daniel, is to make all the text into one sentence, or like give it an opportunity to make it to mark out scenarios in a simple format. Because this is a lot of data, which is amazing. But if you can ask it to combine the data into a summarized message, that would be amazing. This prize action today, maybe a giveaway will bring some volume into the market. Bro, you're genuinely only tuning in for the giveaway every single day. Like it's crazy. But yeah, sure. If you make 50 more accounts, you like the stream, and we have 100 likes, then we do a giveaway. Got the salvation for you here. Price action likely much different after non-farm payments. Yeah. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, my friend. I hope it's gonna be a bit better later today for sure. That's not disrespect, you know. It's a fine. It's fine. F3. It's all right. Gotta hustle, yeah, of course. 100%. I mean, in the end, I told you guys in the beginning, for the guys that never were here in the beginning, I told you guys, gonna try my best to get giveaways going. But giveaways shouldn't be taken for granted, you know what I mean? Like, it's not that, oh yeah, it's just a giveaway. Like, you have to understand, I truly went out, like, that was in my negotiations. First point was, I need daily giveaways, okay? It's not that it just randomly happens here, okay? And if people then take it for granted, I'm not gonna just do them every single day, because, I mean, come on. Let's see what happens, Thomas. Yeah, let's see, Yanis. Yesterday's evening giveaway was the best. Yeah, you're right. We're gonna do those more often for the people that stick around for the longer period of time. I've also been talking with the team. I'm trying to set up a giveaway system that allows for us to do giveaways for people that are truly active in the chat as well. So it's not gonna go for someone that doesn't give a fuck, you know? Like, it's... I think giveaways are supposed to be for the guys that are here active continuously, are tuning in every day, like true warriors should be allowed to win a free gift once in a while. Let's see what happens, Thomas. Oh yeah, you're right, bro. You're right. I see. That's my saying, bro. We'll see what happens. You're completely right, Janice. You're completely right, my friend. We'll see what happens, man. Metalhead, hope you're doing good, bro. Welcome back to the live stream. Thank you for tuning in, bro. Gonna go for a walk before the US Stock Exchange opens. See you later, guys. See you later, bro. See you in a bit. Liron, W, Philip, 100. Yes, 100%. TTS, the Trading Society. Thank you, Sedley. Yeah, I appreciate that. No, but it's I can pretty easily read who's here. Like, I have a pretty good memory, guys. Okay, not trying to glaze myself here, but I have a pretty good memory, so I know precisely who is here just for the sake of the giveaway and who is here for enjoying the live streams. Okay, I can read that because I remember. Appreciate you guys. And some people are also tuning in from work. You know, they're tuning in from work. They listen in. Man, all the respect in the world. Like, genuinely, keep doing what you're doing. You're doing great work here. If you're tuning in from your work right now, all the respect to you. BTC is my main asset, but I like NQ too. Yeah, I know, you told me before. You said you've been trading BTC for 5 years and now you're trading NQ. And yesterday you said you made your first 1 to 4 hour trade on NQ. I remember. Jay, good morning. Hi everyone, today I'm just lurking in for a bit. That might be the best choice here. Mark's not really beneficial. Na, 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 na. Dude, you have a good memory. Appreciate it. Yeah, no problem, man. No, mate, you don't understand. I'm at the home office and I can't sound it right all the time, but I trade your trades and I learn much. Don't get me wrong. Giveaway is always good because I understand. Giveaway is always good. A giveaway is always good. And that's why we do them, right? I do them because I understand. Like guys, you have to understand. I've been to, like, I know a lot of people are trying to make money and they're from a country where it's harder to make money, okay? I'm from the West. I'm blessed to be from the West, okay? So I understand for some people a giveaway can really change their life if they don't have to buy it and buy the account. And that's why I do it, okay? I do it with the intention to help people that want to learn how to trade without them having to cost a lot of money, okay? So it's with pure intention here. But I want to give it to people that truly also deserve it, you know? Like, that's why we do multiple giveaways. So everyone has an opportunity here. And that's why I'm trying to work out, okay, maybe I can figure out that we do giveaways for people that are here always active, you know? I think it's also, it's fair, you know what I mean? You're trying to, no, you can't do that, bro. You can't change the situation around because I just said that there's people here that are tuning in from work and can't type, okay? Like, I have a lot of respect for you guys. You shouldn't try to turn it around that I don't like the people that don't talk. Please don't do that. Because I don't like it when someone tries to set me in a light that I'm not like, okay? Don't do that. Thank you. Alright, let's see what happens here, though. We're respecting this 1 hour for value gap. Or what I'm saying, 15 minutes for value gap. Which one was it? 20 minutes for value gap. Okay, but for the people with less money, only a Funnel account giveaway is really helpful. For a challenge, the activation fee is not included. No. The activation fee is still there. If you win an account, the activation fee is still there. Some accounts is not, though. Like if you have a instant funding account giveaway, we don't do that often. But if it's there, then you don't have an activation fee, of course. When the market is like this, I'm just watching the live streams in the background. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, the mark's not really doing anything here, guys. The mark's not really doing anything. Who blew their trading contest account? Not me. Not me. Oh yeah, for the guys that wanna participate in also a sort of a giveaway here, you can join the free trading contest in the community. And we have 17 participants. It's all about trading. You have a week time to make the best positions possible. And whoever wins has the opportunity to get a 100k funded account, futures or CFD, okay? So trade wisely. Oh, nice. This is a freshly juiced orange juice. Nice. Real nice. $29,700 massive sell limit. Yeah, you told me before. Thank you. 114 million in national liquidity. Single tick. How many Lambos are this? That's about well, a Lambo costs what, 300 to 400,000. So 3 till a million. So 3 times 100. That's gonna be around 300 and probably like 320 Lambos. Let's do a calculation here. Let's calculate it while we're at it anyways. Let's calculate it. What is 114 million divided 114 million divided by 300? Let's 350k. Hey, I'm precisely. Look at that. Fast calculations here, guys. You see that? Easy, light work. I was a little bit above it. I said, what did I say? Did I say 320 or 340? Whatever. Did a fast calculation here, okay? That's a lot of Lambos right here that are resting here above us. A lot of Lambos resting above. Doing back squats, longing USD GPY, and watching the stream. I'll call it a nice Friday morning. Hey Max, that's amazing, bro. Enjoy the squats, bro. I fucking hate squatting. So you do it for me. No, I do it as well, but shit's, oh man. I'm a boxer, right? I've been boxing since I was 14, so we had to squat always, but squatting with weight and stuff, bro, that shit is like, you really need to enjoy it. Discipline is doing something you hate to do, but do it like you love it. Who is still watching? Let me know in the chat if you're still watching. Let me know if you're still watching here. If so, you're a legend. You are a legend going through the trenches with me. Hey, Prabin, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you. Back, nice. Hey there. Hey. You guys are awesome. You guys are legends. Don't know what to say. You guys are legendary. Smash up the like if you enjoyed the live stream. We have 70 people watching. If you enjoy it, smash up the like. Let's hit the 70 likes instantly. Your opinion to BTC? Yeah, let's look at it. I mean, why not? Give me a second here. All right, let's see what BTC is doing. Yeah, a lot of people got excited here, or are excited about the fact that BTC bumped itself up to 80,000 right now from 62. Honestly, bro, yeah, for sure it could be that it's gonna go from here, right? But I personally still think we want to go back to 50,000, bro. I still think they want to go lower. That's my honest opinion here. And this might be the first or the second red year we're gonna have here for BTC. But I might be completely wrong, bro, right? Like, I might be completely wrong. Like, the thing is with Bitcoin, guys, like, the thing is with Bitcoin is they can make technical analysis and they do work, but most of the Bitcoin results are driven by psychological behavior, okay? This means that if everyone starts buying into crypto, you can make all your technicals based on shorts, but if everyone is deciding, okay, now we're gonna buy again, FOMO kicks in, you're not gonna survive shorting, okay? So I could try to say I want to see it go lower, and if everyone on the whole planet, if the taxi driver starts talking about crypto again, you know the shit's gonna rock all the way to the upside, and a lot of people are gonna buy it way too late and gonna hold on to the back again. People are probably accumulating a lot of stuff here. Everyone's like 120,000, we're gonna go to 1 million, right? Everyone's like completely invested here, holding the bag right now, crying their eyes out, okay? And yeah, everyone is accumulating again here. Whether it's gonna be the right buy is the question. Some people probably accumulated here, sunk down again, they reaccumulated again. If it comes down again, they reaccumulate again, and eventually it starts breaking out, right? But then again, it's a belief asset, okay? Same as the fiat currency, but the fiat currency is a bit stronger belief than the BTC, okay? A bit stronger than the BTC. Like it's like, it's interesting how the world works though, if you think about it. Like Bitcoin, like you have the infrastructure behind it, okay? So you have the network of Bitcoin that is valuable, right? The blockchain technology that actually truly gives some value to the world. But besides that, like Bitcoin is just another belief system, same as fiat currency. It's just a belief system, guys. It only works because everyone is okay with using it. That's just how the world works. Same as gold. If gold was purely based on its material value, silver would be worth way more than gold, okay? I've had this debate with people before, but that's just how it is. Like gold itself has a material value, but silver is way more... silver, if you look at the longer time horizon, is going to be way more scarce than gold on its material value because we're using it so much. But yeah, gold has always been liked by all the kings and queens, and yeah, there's a good video about it. I'll share it with you guys. This video right here is amazing, okay? It's a pretty long video. It's 2 hours and 60 minutes, or yeah, almost 3 hours, basically. Here you go. This is a really good video, okay? This explains everything about how the dollar is being created, how money becomes valuable. Trust me, if you want to watch something, you watch this about money. And if you wanna really go into the rabbit hole, yeah, okay, so if you really want to go crazy, guys, you have to watch this one, okay? If you like to go into the rabbit hole and you want to really go deep, you gotta watch this one, okay? This video is you guys remember that I told you guys about the economic hitman? That's your guy right here. That's your guy right here, okay? John Perkson, okay? Read, if you really like to watch, you really want to understand how the economy works, you gotta watch this video. This guy is a legend right here, okay? He was one of the economic hitmen for America. And an economic hitman is the reason why America became one of the greatest empires in the world. Trust me when I say, if you really want to be shocked out of your head and want to know and understand how this all goes with the Venezuela and all that type of stuff, you watch this video. You watch that video. Fractionalized reserve banking, guys. How they create money out of thin air. Like everyone know, like, yeah, just watch the video. Just watch the video if you want to know more about it. Smash up the like. If we hit the 70 likes, guys, I'll do a giveaway, okay? If we hit the 70 likes. So let's go for the 70. 70 likes, guys. Let's do it. I went all in the crypto once. I bought BTC as it fell from 5,000 to 3,000. Started selling partials once it hit 25k. Nice. That's nice, bro. I had to watch 1,000 videos like them. Let's stop the time. Yeah, there's a lot of good videos around about how it all works, the banking system and stuff. But you know, the thing is, like, we're traders. Like, to a degree, you don't have to know all of it, but having a bit of an understanding of how fractionalized reserve banking works, and if you understand that when money is being printed, that the money, the stock market rises, is good to understand. Okay, because in crises like Corona, you have a sharp dip. Okay, but a lot of people then assume the market will fall continuously. But if there's a large crisis in the world and they start printing a lot of money, so let's say there's a large crisis. Let's say you have Corona 2.0, okay? Let's say you have Corona 2.0, right? 2.0. And there's a large crisis in the world. And whatever, people are becoming scared, everything goes to shit, and they have to start printing a lot of money. The money, they're gonna, if they wanna, validate the money into the system, they have to buy American bonds from it. Okay, the dollar is the leading currency in the world, so they buy the bonds, and then they use the bonds and they sell the bonds again, and the bonds are being used to buy assets, right? And then they drive the stock market up again. And that's why during Corona, but there's more reasons, but during Corona, you had a sharp fall to the downside. All right, let's see where Corona actually happened. Let's see. When did Corona happen again? Let me know in the chat. 2020, right? Yeah, I think this was Corona. All right, so you had the sharp movement to the downside. When does Corona happen? It was 2020, right? Corona. Fucking history books, guys. Holy shit. 2019. Yeah, so it happened. It started happening here. You had a sharp ratio set off, right? Which, by the way, this is fucking 30%. Which seems like not, bro. Bro, you know how crazy this is, by the way. That this is 30%, okay? This is a 30% move, and it looks like nothing, but it's purely because of the pricing of the Nasdaq. And since then, we rose up over fucking 240%, man, which is crazy, by the way. What the hell? But yeah, okay. So Corona happened, and if you think about it, Corona is the starting point of a completely new economy. Okay, the main reason why is because everyone had to work from home for multiple years, so all the companies that were using online services went nuts, right? That's why you have the Magnificent Seven, okay, purely because of Corona. And these companies now hold a monopoly over the market. Okay, they have like 40% of the entire market. So yeah, everything is booming, but if there's something that happens which is not booming, and whatever, some of the companies start failing, I'm not assuming that happens, but whatever the fuck, right? Let's say something comes out, you're gonna have a problem here, okay? Because they hold 40% of the market value. So if then now a crash of 30% means we're coming down to 20 fucking thousand, which is crazy. Like, if you look at the difference in a 30% move, right? Look at the difference here, okay? You see that? You see the difference in the move? And that purely because, of course, the more the higher the market goes, the bigger the 30% is whenever it corrects. But you also have to understand that if a 30% drop happens now, the amount of fear that will come into the market, bro. Like, because people are gonna react completely differently to a 30% fall like this, right? Or fucking this, bro, where you just clean out the whole chart. Bro. And it's not something that can't happen, you know what I'm saying? Like, you have to understand. It's not that it never happens. This was the year my business goes like a rocket. Never forget. Yeah, I understand. Anyone that has been doing online business and stuff, like, people were home. People had nothing to do, right? They start buying a lot of random shit. That's why e-commerce went booming during the Corona crisis. A lot of the people that started their e-com stores during Corona made a shit ton of money. It depends on what they sold, of course, right? But people were more at home. They had money to spend. Economy was booming, even though you wouldn't assume that happens. But a lot of people were spending money, and some people were spending less money. So people that had like physical stores, they had a problem. But anyone who was online that did it well should have made a lot of money, especially if you were in tech. Especially if you were in tech. If you had like anything with a subscription model for like a software that was being used for Teams or whatever, man, insane, bro, insane. If you did it well, you should be like, some people just like they turn the company from zero into a multi-million-dollar company just because of Corona. So for some people it was detrimental, and for other people it was like booming as heck. Yeah, the only thing I remember from Corona is running away from the police, because we had a night clock in the Netherlands and we weren't allowed to go outside at night. And of course, I was young, okay? I mean, I was, what was it? 6 years ago. I was 17, you know? Like, of course we went outside because we weren't allowed to. It was an amazing time, by the way. Corona, guys, like, genuinely, it was like one of the most fun times I had. Like, you wouldn't assume so, but it was amazing. Going outside, knowing you're not allowed to go outside, running away from the police was like the most fun thing I ever did. Okay, like they started chasing you and shit, you know? It was actually amazing. Like, bro, what do you expect? I'm 17 years old. I want to go and see my friends, you know? I'm not gonna sit at home doing nothing the entire day. So we went outside, you know? We went outside. It was a fun time. And eventually it came to a point that if you weren't like delivering food, or like, you shouldn't go outside with the car. So we had to like walk all the way to wherever we were chilling. You know, you went on the bike. You never went with the car, because the car you were fucked, right? So it was a completely different experience. Completely different experience. It was awesome though. It was real nice. All right. How do I apply to your giveaway? I don't have a giveaway rolling, RS. We need to hit 70 likes first. Otherwise, I'm not going to do one. So if you want a giveaway today, guys, hit the like. And then we'll do a giveaway. We need 70 likes first. We need 70 likes first before I do a giveaway today. So hit the like. You can join the trading competition if you want to be a part of it. I have a free trading competition. Go into the Discord, sign up here. And whoever wins, we have 23 participants. Whoever wins, the competition starts tomorrow, can choose a 100k futures or 100k CFD account. Only 7 more likes, exactly. Only 7 more likes before the giveaway. 7 more likes for the giveaway. I will remove the image. We're gonna do 7 today. 70. And make sure to hit the subscribe button, by the way. I would be highly appreciate that. I want to go to 3,000 subscribers. That's the goal. If you want to support me by doing a subscription, that would be awesome. It doesn't cost you anything. Would be highly appreciated. I think we're at 2,020 right now or something like that. So we still have a long way to go. Hey Thomas, is that a piano? What's the drink called? This is orange juice. Just orange juice, bro. Is that a piano on the chart? Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Yeah, it's a piano, bro. It's playing its own song right now. It's like a heartbeat. Drink too much, I see. Drink too much? What do you mean? Drinking is important, my friend. Drinking is important. Welcome to the new people in the Trading Society. Drop a welcome in the chat for these guys. These guys are awesome. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate that. You guys are legends. Banking, making money. With drink, yeah, but what do you mean? This is not alcohol or something like that, bro. It's just normal orange juice.
To be perfect.
It's nothing bad about orange juice.
And we asked it to be human.
Only 3 more likes, guys. Hit the like and we'll do a giveaway. 3 more likes and we'll do a giveaway today.
Hesitation. No fear.
Hit the like button. Let's do a giveaway today. How far are we? Are we there? Only 1 more like. Hit the like button and we'll do a giveaway today. If you want to win a free account, we'll give away a let's see, what are we giving away here? We're giving away a futures 50k account. Futures 50k account. Hit the like, hit the like. All right, here we go. Futures giveaway account. Let's go. We're gonna do a giveaway. Sending out the link right now in the chat. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, you got 5 minutes to sign up for the giveaway here. Enter the free giveaway, guys. Enter the free giveaway now. Got 5 minutes to sign up here. Five minutes, and then we're gonna call it. Sign up, sign up, sign up. Future account, guys. If I gave you $1 million, would you feel confident trading with that money? And then would we discuss how to split it, or would that be an indecent proposal to you? What, you have $1 million, Deadle? You got $1 million to give away? I've did it before, so I've traded the account for someone else. I started with 5k, turned it into 6k, and then I did a 25k account. But the thing is, bro, it's like I want to in the future for sure do that, right? That was my goal overall, to start my own fund or whatever. in the future, but trading with someone else that money is quite as there's a different psychological edge to it. Link is in the chat. I have done that before, however, it was just a dream. What, trading for someone else? What are you talking about, RS? I have no idea what you mean, bro. Smash up the like if you enjoyed the live stream. Become part of the giveaway here. No trade evade? No, trade evade is coming. It's not there yet. Trade evade is coming, my friend. Well, I'm trying to fill your forum and it only gives you 3 options I don't use. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to join the giveaway, RS. You could also wait for the time the trade evade is gonna be here. You don't have to. No one is forcing you to join the giveaway, bro. But if you want to, they also have a web platform. They also have a web platform, so you can also use it on the web provider here. Let's see though. I'll give you guys 3 more minutes and then you can join. All right, here we go, guys. Almost done. 31 people. 2 more minutes, guys, if you want to be a part of the giveaway here. Tune in if you want to be a part of it. Nothing happening on NQ here. And like actually nothing happening here. Yeah, let's hope YouTube wants to push me back into the algorithm one day. Like YouTube, you guys are awesome because you guys tune in on a regular basis. So W in the chat for yourself. You guys are legends. I really appreciate you guys. But YouTube stopped pushing me into the algorithm for some reason. Because normally we had like 200 people on the live stream. So that means that a lot of people tuned in from YouTube, right? Like YouTube gave me the option to get people in. But now it's no longer happening. YouTube doesn't like me anymore. I don't know why. Kind of upsetting, but it is what it is. We have to live with it. Then people never can join our trading society. It is what it is. It is what it is. Oh yeah, so join the free giveaway. And you can also join the free trading competition if you want to. It's on TradingView. It's a paper trading account. If you win, you're allowed to take either a 100k account from CFD or a 100k futures account. That's the giveaway that I will do with the trading competition. All right, we got a minute left here, guys. A minute left. And then I'm going to end it because, yeah, I will be live again in an hour from now. So we can continue watching the suffering together. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing, guys? How do I join the competition? You go into the Discord and you see a link that says join here. And that's how you join the giveaway or the competition. And then you sign up. Alright, got 15 seconds left here, guys. May the odds be in your favor. Drop a W in the chat. Did you trade today? No. Yeah, I traded before the live stream in the London session. But I did not take any trade today, no. I don't see any trades. Like I could visualize them, but I don't see anything here. So no trades. No bueno. Can you send the Discord link again, please? Yeah. Alright. There you go. If you want to join the competition, guys, join the Discord now. Go to the announcement section and become part of the competition. It starts tomorrow. All right, we're gonna do the giveaway. Let's count down together. Are you guys ready? Let me know in the chat if you guys are ready. Then we're gonna end it. We're gonna start with 3, 2, 1. Maybe the odds in your favor. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Julio and Sandara Lingam. Congratulations on winning the giveaway. Congrats, congrats, congrats. And that's it, guys. Congratulations. You can join from anywhere, Stefan. You can join from anywhere, bro. Yes, it's me. Sanda, congrats. Amazing. All right. Speak to you guys in an hour from now, okay? See you guys in an hour. And, I mean, let's listen to a little bit of music. Alright, you guys know. I'll speak to you guys in an hour from now, okay? See you later, alligator in a wild crocodile. Alright, guys? I'll speak to you in a bit. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. See you guys in an hour. Thank you, as per usual. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, guys. See you later, alligator in a wild crocodile. Stay safe. And, yeah, I'll see you in an hour. Bye, 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 bye. Ciao.